here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Fort Worth Fabric Studios new 2020 Ultimate Picnic Spring Mystery Quilt. I'm going to let you know a little bit about it for all of those that do not have Facebook and has not seen the announcement. So if you get on their website, what you will see is this here, which shows the fabric, one of the backings of two that they're going to have, and the block lock. This is the 6.5 inch block lock. Now, I have used that on my videos. I have shown with the block lock and without it if you don't purchase that. You don't have to purchase it if you want to, so you can find out what it's like, because you can use it on other things, not just this specific quilt that we're making. By all means, try it out. Then you're going to have a list like this. It'll give you the information, everything that you need to know about it. So let me read it off here for you. So the size of the quilt is going to be 48 by 48. That's an approximate. It's always an approximate because when you make yours, yours might be a little bit smaller or yours might be a little bit bigger. So you don't have to be stressed about making sure it is exactly 48 by 48, okay? Because nobody's is exactly like somebody else's. If you start your fabric and you do it as you're cutting it along, it's going to end up being smaller. Now, if you want to start your fabric, then you want to do it all before you do any cutting. And then don't do it additionally while your pieces are cut out, because you'll shrink it some more, okay? Just giving you a little hint there. Now, they're going to have everything posted. It's all going to be on Mondays. So it begins on April 13th. That's the first Monday that it starts. You're going to get your fabric requirements, your cutting instructions, and the week one that you put together. If you want to go and you want to pre-order, I believe they're going to try to have them all mailed out by the 31st of March so that everybody will have theirs and be ready. You can use your stash if you want. The pattern is free. They don't charge you for the pattern. You can make more than one. You can change it. The design at the very end does not need to be exactly how and I are both doing YouTube videos, and it doesn't have to be the way that we put it together. You can change it if you want. I have changed another one that I did make for them. They don't have a problem with that. The second week is April 20th, so we'll be doing the second part of it. The third week and the fourth week are April 27th, which is the end of April, and the beginning of May, which is the 4th of May. Then the fifth week is May 11th, and then the following Monday, which is May 18th, is going to be the assembly. So that's it for that. And then let me show you the picture. This is what the fabrics look like. So they are making them in red, white, and blue. And right now we have a picture of the back, the first option, just this one here. We don't have the other one yet. So don't wait until the last minute if that's what you're wanting to get. But like I said, it's all going to be online on their website, fortworthfabricstudios.com, and you can find it. And go ahead and mark that page for future reference for yourself, okay? And I hope you guys will follow me along. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.